Did you know that the world's longest hiccuping spree lasted an astonishing 68 years? Charles Osborne from Iowa couldn't stop hiccuping from 1922 to 1990, racking up over 430 million hiccups. Or consider the record for the largest collection of rubber ducks, over 9,000. This quirky obsession belongs to Charlotte Lee, who has been collecting them since 1996. And then there's the man who holds the record for the most tattoos on his body, over 1,000. Hollis Cantrell transformed himself into a living canvas, showcasing his love for art in the most extreme way possible. These records remind us just how wonderfully bizarre human creativity can be.